Hello everybody, and today we have unboxing and review of Portronics Smart Reversible USB cable. So let's unbox it. As you can see, this is the Flipkart packaging. I ordered it during the Big 10 sale and I probably got it for 125 rupees if I include the cashback that I got in my PhonePe wallet. So as we have opened the box, now we are going to take a look at what's inside of it. So here we go. This is the Portronics wrapped R reversible micro USB cable, 2.4 amps, high speed, 1.2 meters, and it has 6 months warranty. And as you can see, let me just open it. It's a bit tight. See, it has a very nice snake-like design, which is not seen a lot of USB cables at this price. So the main feature about it, the USB of this cable, is this. It is reversible from both the sides. You can connect it this way or you can connect it this way. Now I have a different cable from iVolta and you can check the difference. It's only connecting one side in the iVolta cable, but on the Portronics cable it can connect on both the sides. See, also this cable is not having any kind of wrapped around cable designs, so I think this cable might be a bit better, because at night times and when we have to charge our devices and it's dark, we don't find how to insert the USB port. This is my Xiaomi bank. This is my MI power bank, and I will use it to show you that it works both the sides. So here, this is my Eureka Plus and I'm inserting this. See, it's going to charge. It's showing charged because it's probably full charge, but it is still charging. That is why we can see a green light coming on it. And now if I turn it around and I again insert it, it's again charging. Wow. It's again charging. You can see it's charged. Let me just close it and show you. It's showing charged and the green light is coming. You can see the green light is coming. Remove it, it's gone. It's charging. Thank you guys. I hope you like my video. Make sure you subscribe the channel.